All right, news just coming in. The Rajasthan Police Special Operations Group, the SOG, has sought time from Chief Minister Gehlot and Deputy CM Pilot to record their statements in the case of alleged attempt to overthrow the government in the state. This comes after Gehlot alleged that BJP had been trying to topple his government by poaching Congress and independents. I want to connect right now to my colleague Dev Ankur, who's going to break down the entire saga for our viewers. Dev, can you take us through all the developments, including how even the Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot's name has also come up in all of this?
Well, Preeti, till last month, when the Rajya Sabha elections were to be held in the state, there were a lot of speculations that all of these allegations, which were till that time only in the realm of allegations or accusations, were being made because of internal politics in Rajasthan. It was being said that Ashok Gehlot wants to cement his own position within the party, that he wants his own man to be placed as the Pradesh Congress Committee chief also, so as to have a strong hold on the party apart from the government. But now it seems that the intent of the government is coming across, because not just the SOG, the Special Operations Group, which comes under the Home Department, which falls directly in the hands of the Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, has registered an FIR, but also two BJP leaders have been picked up by the Special Operations Group, one from Udaipur and the other person from Biawar in Rajasthan. And both of these persons have been put under intense interrogations. And about an hour and a half ago today, Preeti, the Rajasthan Chief Minister in no uncertain terms lashed out at the BJP, clearly mentioning that the BJP is trying to engineer defections in the government. It's trying to break the government right now. And he also linked that with the pandemic, with the ongoing corona pandemic, mentioning that on the one hand, he has been trying to take all the parties together in the fight against corona, but the BJP, on the other hand, is trying to destabilize or overthrow an elected government. As far as the Deputy Chief Minister point that you mentioned, the FIR is clearly... it makes for an interesting read, because it mentions that it has been recorded on the basis of conversation between two individuals, phone record conversations, and that conversation somewhere mentions that the BJP wants its own chief minister to be in place in Rajasthan, and the deputy chief minister can be given a ministerial berth at the center. But the deputy CM wants himself to be the chief minister. So clearly the tussle within the government is also mentioned in the FIR. It mentions that in the run-up to the Rajya Sabha elections last month, entire preparations were made to topple the government. So clearly now it seems that on the one hand, there is political one-upmanship or bickering or tussle that has been going on in Rajasthan, but the government also wants to show intent by trying to portray that it has some kind of proof in its hands of an alleged attempt to destabilize the government.
First time, we've actually seen proper arrests being made at the back of poaching charges. The BJP, the opposition in Rajasthan, is not going to sit this down. So what is their plan?
Well, clearly the BJP has adopted a defiant posture in all of this. The FIR, if you go through it, has been registered under sections 124A and 120B, mentioning sedition is the charge, that a democratically elected government was attempted to topple an elected government. The BJP has adopted a defined posture, mentioning that all of this is about internal politics, that Gehlot is indulging in posturing and semantics at this point in time, trying to cement his own position and trying to sideline the Pilot group. As far as Sachin Pilot himself is concerned, he interestingly has mentioned that there has been no indication of any kind of defection or any kind of MLAs being approached, Congress MLAs being approached from outside in lieu of money so as to support the BJP. So all of this, how it plays out in the next couple of weeks or probably a month, is something which can be really interesting.
Well, it's interesting how things are panning out right now. Appreciate you joining us. You're going to come back to you, but let's get in all the reactions coming in. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot accused the BJP today of trying to poach his MLAs. He's been doing it for a while, but now action has been taken. There is an FIR. There will be arrests. Listen in.
बीजेपी के नेताओं ने तो मानवता और इंसानियत की सारी हदें पार तोड़ दी है, क्योंकि एक तरफ तो हम जीवन और आजीविका बचाने में लगे हुए हैं, और दूसरी तरफ ये लोग सरकार गिराने में लगे हुए हैं। मुझे व मेरे साथियों को, मेरे मंत्रिमंडल के साथी है, विधायक हैं, कांग्रेस के नेता हैं, सबको सरकार बचाने के लिए संघर्ष करना पड़ता है। और ये लोग सरकार कैसे घिरे, किस प्रकार से तोड़फोड़ करे, खरीद फरोख्त करे, ये तमाम काम में लगे हुए हैं।
राजस्थान में एक मजाक का केंद्र बन गई है सरकार। कभी मुख्यमंत्री जी मनगढ़ंत कहानियां बनाते हैं, कभी 35 करोड़ रुपए में विधायक खरीदने की बात करते हैं, कभी इनके नेता जाकर खुद ही अपनी एफआईआर दर्ज करवा देते हैं, कभी एसओजी खुद ही रिपोर्ट दर्ज कर लेती है और कहीं न कहीं भारतीय जनता पार्टी का झूठा नाम लगाया जाता है। मैं कहूंगा यदि कांग्रेस पार्टी शासन नहीं कर सकती, जनता का भला नहीं कर सकती और राज चलाने में नाकाम हो गए हैं तो इस्तीफा दें। भारतीय जनता पार्टी सुशासन देगी राजस्थान में।
एक एफआईआर कल हमने पंजीबद्ध की है अंडर सेक्शन 124A आईपीसी और 120B आईपीसी, और 2 लोगों के खिलाफ है जो अपनी उनकी विभिन्न वार्ताओं में ये सामने आया है कि कुछ इस तरह का प्लान चल रहा है जिसके तहत जो निर्दलीय विधायक हैं या जो सत्तारूढ़ पार्टी के जो विधायकगण हैं तो उनको प्रलोभन दे के उनसे संपर्क करने की कोशिश की जा रही है और उनको सरकार जो वर्तमान में है उसको अस्थिर करने का प्रयास है।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.